Hello, welcome to my channel. I present you some unique and interesting facts from all over the world. This time is about
10 interesting facts about orangutans. The term orangutan is taken from the words in the Malay language. It's orang, which means human, and utan, which means forest, so orangutan means forest human. Orangutans include 3 subspecies, namely the Sumatran orangutan, Pongo abeli, the Bornean orangutan, Pongo pygmaeus, and the Tapanuli orangutan, Pongo tapanuliensis. Have you ever wondered where orangutans sleep? Or where do their names come from? Here are 10 interesting facts about orangutans that you should know. 1. Orangutans only live on 2 islands. They can be found on the Southeast Asian islands of Borneo and the northern part of Sumatra. They were found in southern China, Indochina, Java, and South Sumatra 12,000 years ago. This species is now extinct in this region. 2. Best nesting sites. Orangutans are arboreal, which means they spend most of their lives in trees. They even sleep in nests in trees. Although Bornean orangutans sometimes spend time on the ground, Sumatran orangutans rarely descend to the forest floor. The orangutan habitat is getting narrower because the rainforest area where they live is being used as land for oil palm mining, and trees are being cut down for timber. Orangutans have lost 80% of their habitat in less than 20 years. Not infrequently, they are also injured and even killed by farmers and landowners because they are considered pests. If a female orangutan is found with her cubs, the mother is killed and the cubs are then sold in the illegal animal trade. A rehabilitation center was established to care for the sick, injured, and those who have lost their mothers. They are cared for with the aim of being returned to their natural habitat. Because the habitat is a dense forest, it is difficult to estimate the exact population size. In Borneo, the orangutan population is estimated to be around 55,000 individuals. In Sumatra, the number is estimated at around 200 individuals. This is due to excessive land clearing. 3 species. Previously, it was thought that there were only 2 species of orangutan, the Bornean orangutan, Pongo pygmaeus, and the Sumatran orangutan, Pongo abeli. However, a few years ago, another species was discovered, the Tapanuli orangutan, Pongo tapanuliensis. 4. Orangutans have the characteristics of a fat and large body, a large neck, long and strong arms, short and bowed legs, and no tail. With a height of about 1.25 to 1.5 meters, the orangutan's body is covered with brownish red hair. They have a large head with a high mouth position. When reaching this stage of sexual maturity, male orangutans have fat temples on both sides, a large crown, long hair, and a beard that grows around their face. They have the same senses as humans, namely hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch. Male orangutans weigh around 50 to 90 kilograms, while female orangutans weigh around 30 to 50 kilograms. Their palms have 4 long fingers plus 1 thumb. The soles of their feet also have an arrangement of toes that is very similar to humans. 5. The largest male orangutan has an arm span, length from one end of the hand to the other when both hands are stretched, reaching 2.3 meters. And orangutans don't have nails on their big toes. 6. Male orangutans can make long-distance calls that can be heard within a radius of 1 kilometer. Used to mark or monitor the area, call the female, and prevent other male orangutans from disturbing it. They have a large throat pouch that enables them to do so. Female orangutans usually give birth at the age of 7 to 10 years, with a gestation period ranging from 8.5 to 9 months, almost the same as humans. The number of babies born to a female is usually only 1. Baby orangutans can live independently at the age of 6 to 7 years. Orangutans are usually kept until they are 6 years old, because they have a lot to learn in order to survive. We're basically cousins. We humans share almost 97% of our DNA with orangutans, making them one of our closest relatives after apes. Orangutans reproduce longer than other primates. Female orangutans only give birth to one child every 7 to 8 years. The lifespan of an orangutan in the wild is about 45 years, and a female orangutan only has 3 offspring in her lifetime, which means orangutan reproduction is very slow. 7. Single player. Although we share a lot of DNA with orangutans, they are not as social creatures as we are. Orangutans spend a lot of time alone. After mating, the female leaves the male, who has no role in caring for the baby orangutans. Unlike gorillas and chimpanzees, orangutans do not live in large herds. They are semi-solitary animals. Male orangutans are usually found alone, and female orangutans are usually accompanied by several cubs. Orangutans are arboreal animals, meaning they live or work in trees. This is in contrast to other great apes, such as gorillas and chimpanzees, which are terrestrial animals, and spend their lives on the ground. 8. Orangutans can use sticks as tools to pick up food, and use leaves as sun protection. Sumatran orangutans living in the swamps west of Sumatra's Alas River use sticks to detect honey. But this behavior has never been found among orangutans on the East Coast. This shows the diversity of behavior and environmental adaptation. Orangutans eat 5 times a day. Orangutans generally eat fruit and leaves, but they are also known to use twigs as a tool to scoop termites out of holes in trees for snacks. 9. Although orangutans are omnivores, most of them only eat plants. 90% of their diet is fruit. Its food includes tree bark, leaves, flowers, several types of insects, and about 300 types of fruit. In addition, they also eat nectar, honey, and mushrooms. They also like to eat durian. Although the aroma is sharp, they like it. Orangutans don't even have to leave their trees to drink. They usually drink the water that has accumulated in the holes between the tree branches. 10. The orangutan population is decreasing by 25 each day. The rainforests that are their home are being destroyed to make way for oil palm plantations, putting the orangutan population seriously under threat. The biggest predator of orangutans today is humans. Apart from humans, orangutan predators include leopards, pigs, crocodiles, pythons, and black eagles. If we don't act, more valuable habitats will be destroyed, and the orangutan species could be lost forever.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next video.